Alright, it is the last day of us hanging out here in Missouri at the Loop 2. And just so you guys know, Crashpalooza 6.0 is going down here July 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. Big ass events, big payouts, and a fireworks show. Call up the Loop 2 and book your sites. There's plenty of camping here. But today, what we got going on is a short course race, knockout racing. Kind of similar to the Crashpalooza setup at my events, starting on halfway point of the track, and so you guys aren't side by side. Right here is our finish line. If you're going the exact same speed, you'd be crossing at this exact same time. We got America, 350 horsepower, turbo, Pro R. We're gonna see what the hell we can do today. It's our final day, so let's have a little bit of fun, and there's $3,000 on the line, so it'd be pretty cool to pay for the fuel bill. And I drew 32, so I'm gonna be the last racer.
What's up, brother? Race day?
Just another day, dude.
Hey, coming to ride turned into a little race?
Yeah, they said there was $3 grand on the line, so I figured I better show up.
Yeah, pretty much so
There's
far.
Some fast cars out here, though.
Hey, them kids with that Hendrix car running crazy.
Yeah, really fast. I'm gonna have to be on my A game. Hopefully don't blow a belt. Did I check any of my tire pressures? No. Do I have any idea what's in them? No. But we're gonna kick ass anyway.
Let's go.
Alright, these boys are throwing down on this track, and there's a wide range of vehicles. I mean, Maverick R's, Pro R's, race builds, RS1s, X3s, you name it. It's lined up here to race today. I did do about 5 laps on this track, I don't know, a few days ago, but I wish I would have practiced a little bit more. I'm going to be the last racer in the first lineup, and I'm going against a Turbo West, the old trusty. That red car and that kid can freaking drive. I'm thinking if I had to put my money on somebody, it might be that guy. I'm hoping it's me though.
And that's his dad right over there.
Yeah, and his dad is kicking ass in that Maverick car too.
It's actually Scott who built the track.
Yep. Scott built this track, and he's gonna be helping us out big time with Crashpalooza 6.0, making these events over the top. You too, man. All right, it's almost time for me to race. These boys are ripping out here, getting those nerves are kicking in. It's been a minute since I've raced.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah.
Here's the real helmet right here.
We got a local legend around here, Matt Butler. He's gonna do a little ride along, feel American power.
Real power.
And if I lose, I have an excuse. It's all this extra weight.
It's only about 145.
Yeah. When I was 6.
Great, good luck.
Appreciate it, dog.
He's not going to give you any good advice, but the advice he's got, I say go for it.
All right, perfect. That's all I need. Don't break a belt. I'm not even gonna run race. I'm just gonna go sport. Race is so
that nasty.
Yeah, and the sport's really race is super touchy. Like it's finicky, and it just is. if I'm stomping on it all the way, it's just a great way to smoke the belt. Like most of the time, I'm never flooring it on this thing. I hardly ever go all the way. Yeah, you don't really need to. It's pretty rare. I just got to remember all these rhythms of these jumps.
Kind of made me feel like he was in a real buggy. I get it.
He wanted a handicap.
Hey man, that's what it feels like. So,
The people want to know, how's it feel to be in a real buggy?
Well, I don't know yet. See, we're about to find out though, so it's all right.
Matt, I think Cody should jump in since he didn't race.
Rolled over? Yeah. Perfect. This helmet's right. This helmet, did you see it, dude? It was up here. That was a bad start. We got a little lucky. I couldn't see, bro. I was driving one-handed and shit.
This thing is retarded.
It wasn't felt retarded?
Yes.
I might have to use your helmet, brother.
That's fine.
Bro, I was driving blind. I was driving blind. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I was grab the helmet, pulling it down and shit.
Were you not like looking?
No, my car wasn't in gear all the way. I was trying to give the kid a head start. I got a different helmet on now because the one I was wearing was making me blind. That was crazy. Kid tipped over, so kind of won out there. I don't know how it would have panned out. I feel like I was catching up pretty quick though. The car was not all the way in high. That sounded terrible. All right, so half of the crew is eliminated now. So what? Now there's 15, 16 people left.
15, yeah.
So,
I mean,
there's a good chance.
There's some fast cars.
Yeah,
there's
there
some
is.
fast cars, but America's running.
Hey, we got that Dirt Dudes dude that does like YouTube and stuff. He's out on the track right now. Hey, make sure he's in drive.
Yeah, I'm backing up a little bit more and making sure this motherfucker's in drive.
Are you ready this time?
I'm ready this time. You guys were trying to distract me, man.
Because in America. That dude looks like he got a little bit of a lead here.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Overjumped! Did I win or lose?
No, I don't think you got it.
I hit that thing really bad. I lost. Only in the second race. So I really didn't show up that well. First guy tipped over. Second guy, I think it was a little close, but as you guys can probably see in that camera, the GoPro, holy smokies. Overjumped that one jump way too much. Smashed my driver's side into it pretty freaking hard. I can't see no damage though, so that's a good thing. All right, this is for first. This is the finale. The car that I thought would win made it to the finale, but this boy in this RS1, these guys are top notch. They're going for it.
There it is, guys.
RS1 with a little lead, it looked like.
Little bit.
Oh, he got a little squirrely butt. That's the jump I stuffed on. Nice. It's close, it's close, it's close. Holy shnikes. Did the RS1 win?
I think so.
14 years old. Hell yeah. That was a great race. Great race. Check it out, boys and girls.
This young man just put it all on the line, and that's how y'all do it. Come on, get loud.
Yeah.
How you feel?
I feel good. There was a lot of fast guys out here today, and I knew there's 3 ground lots, so we had to put it all out there.
That is a good idea. I like what he did there. Missouri, what a hell of a trip. Loop 2, if you've never been, you really should go. And you should go July 2nd, 3rd, and 4th for Crash Palooza 6.0. Again, just call up the store, book your site, and plan on having a good time. We got the Dirt Army X3 loaded up on the Flexhauler from EQ Outdoors if you're interested in the trailer. Link for him below, but yeah, we got to figure out what we're going to do with this sucker. Pro R did great out here, held up through everything, even me doing my crappy racing. Old bore links, I dig them. I know I'll like them out in Michigan in the sandy trails. I do wish I had my rock scrapers though. I'll be bringing them next time. But we're gonna head our way back to Michigan now, and I got the HC11. We're gonna be doing stuff. Turbo Xpedition's coming back, and you guys are going to crap your pants when you hear what that thing could do now. Winter overland trip. Oh man. And a bunch of other goodies. Appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Got some good stuff coming. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.
Yeah!